Ready to export your Figma designs for development, presentations, or sharing? Figma makes it easy to export frames, images, icons, and other design assets in several popular file formats. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export designs from Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into your Figma account and open the design file that contains the artwork you want to export. Make sure your design is finished before exporting your files. Next, select the frame, component, layer, or object you want to export. You can export a single item or multiple selected elements. Choosing the correct layer ensures you export exactly what you need. With your design selected, scroll to the bottom of the right sidebar and locate the export section. Click the plus button to add an export setting. This is where you'll choose your file format and export options. Now select the file format that best fits your needs. Common options include PNG for images, JPG for smaller file sizes, SVG for scalable graphics, and PDF for documents or presentations. Take a moment to choose the format that's right for your project. If needed, customize additional settings such as the export scale, file size, or resolution. These options help optimize your design for different devices and use cases. Higher export scales usually create sharper images, but also increase the file size. Finally, click the Export button and choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Your design is now ready to share, upload, or hand off to developers. So you've successfully exported a design from Figma, and that's how to export designs from Figma. Whether you're creating assets for developers, sharing designs with clients, or preparing files for presentations, exporting your work only takes a few clicks. Choosing the right file format and export settings helps ensure your designs look their best wherever they're used. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.